The lady is going to rotate counterclockwise. Start with the left leg, left, right, left, right, face the partner and place your hands on his shoulders. End up with your body weight on your right leg and continue the rotation to end up with your right side to the man. Let's do this again. Remember about taking small steps and keeping your back straight while rotating. Also about your right hand, you will lead it to the side in the opening and then place it on your opposite arm while rotating. Close to yourself, rotation, then place the hand around the man's neck on his shoulder and go into the pose. In the dip, the rules are similar to the ones before. Bend the right knee, keep the left leg in front of you and straight. Lead your hips up to the ceiling and tilt your upper body backward. Avoid leaning on the man too much. And now the man's part. You will transfer the body weight to the lady at the beginning of her rotation. This time you will also have to help her rotate. You will lead the lady in front of yourself. Imagine the path of her rotation in front of yourself. Avoid pulling onto you because you will bump into each other. First, pull with your hand, then draw a small shape of a circle in the air with your palm. This will initiate the lady's rotation. Some compare it to the shape of 6 because you're pulling first and then drawing a small circle. Some compare it to making a pizza pie. Important thing is not only to pull the lady toward yourself, but also to transfer the body weight onto the right leg and prepare your hands, place them around the lady's waist. Transfer the body weight back onto the left leg, keep your back straight, bend your left knee, extend your hands and lead the lady into the dip. Notice that you can also rotate your entire body counterclockwise. Thanks to this you can reach easily and lead the lady deeper into the pose. Make sure not to lean over the partner. That's the most common mistake. You need to keep your back straight to create a counterbalance for the lady. 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. As you have probably noticed, we have slowed down after the lady's rotation right before the dip because there is a very beautiful moment in the music when there is a small pause. So stop for a while being very close to each other and then slowly together fluently at the same time go into the dip. Notice that this time the lady is looking away from the partner to the left. This makes the pose optically bigger.